A feature I use every day is SaneSnooze. When you're looking at your email inbox and you need to deal with an email, but you just can't do anything right now, you can drag that email to one of the SaneSnooze folders, like Sane Next Month, Next Week, or Tomorrow. When I drag it to that Sane Tomorrow folder, that email will disappear from my inbox, helping me focus on the emails I need to deal with today. Now I can always go to these SaneSnooze folders like Sane Next Week and move it back to my inbox or take action here, but I know that SaneBox will move that email back to my inbox when I specified. Sane Tomorrow, it will come back tomorrow morning. Sane Next Week, it'll hit my inbox on Monday of next week. And Sane Next Month, it will return on the 1st of the next month. And the reason why I love this feature is because now you can snooze emails no matter what app you use. For instance, the stock mail app, both on the Mac, iPhone, and iPad, there's no way to snooze an email directly. Even using the Remind Me feature leaves that email in your inbox. It doesn't make it disappear. But now, even from the stock mail app, and I can do this on my iPhone or iPad, I can drag that email to Sane Tomorrow. It will leave my inbox, helping me focus on the work I'm doing right now, and SaneBox will bring it back to my inbox tomorrow. And that's how to use the SaneSnooze folders in SaneBox.